Can someone press replay on cryptocurrency? If anyone's had a bad 2022, it's these guys. But wait, what's this we're hearing about crypto prices reaching an all-time high? From lawsuits, scams, and eventually bankruptcies, we've got it all. Who's to say 2023 won't be another year of absolute shambles for cryptocurrency? Experts? Yep, you gotta listen to them. One industry that looks to be in need of a reset, or at the very least some major tweaks in 2023, is the cryptocurrency industry. It's safe to say that the crypto space enters the new year with somewhat of a battered reputation. But hey, things are about to change. If U.S. economic data this week suggests that the Federal Reserve may soon stop raising interest rates, the prices of major crypto assets may skyrocket. Traders are now searching for any hints as to what can fuel the next move higher after Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies had a great week last week. And guess what? It could happen sooner rather than later now that the release of crucial U.S. economic data is upon us. The Producer Price Index, which measures changes in prices paid to U.S. goods producers, will be the most significant piece of information. By the way, it's different from the more well-known Consumer Price Index, which measures changes in the prices people pay, but it still provides a reliable snapshot of inflation. Any result below the predicted value of -0.1 might spark a wild rise for Bitcoin and the whole cryptocurrency market. Ain't that exciting? But wait, what's all this got to do with inflation? Turns out, low interest rates will massively benefit crypto. Now, popular cryptocurrency trader and economist Alex Kruger is one of those who've predicted a return to reduced inflation. Kruger reminded his followers on Twitter that the current high level of inflation is only transitory. Yep, this shall pass, folks. And that over the long run, inflation will trend lower as a result of technology and an aging population. See, the Fed's major concern is lower inflation before it stops raising interest rates and eventually switches back to reducing them. So, it's anticipated that falling interest rates will benefit practically all risk assets, including Bitcoin and crypto. And he's not the only one. For instance, Mike Novogratz, another well-known cryptocurrency bull and former investment banker, has revealed that Bitcoin is on the way to the moon after the Fed stopped raising interest rates. Are you still not convinced? You might change your mind because, buckle up, there's going to be a strong week ahead. It's looking good, y'all. The massive economic data release takes place during a week that many analysts and journalists already predict will be favorable for cryptocurrencies. You don't want to be left behind. Trust me, popular influencers like Ivan on Tech said that Bitcoin FOMO starts now. As BTC established itself north of the $20,000 line, and ETH traded above $1,500, while the on-chain analyst Plan B stated that $15,500 was the bottom for Bitcoin. The winds are finally blowing in the right direction. And even though the Producer Price Index is possibly the best sign for where inflation is headed, this week's predicted change in retail sales will also provide insight into the state of the economy. The figure is anticipated to be -0.8%, further decreasing from -0.6% a month earlier. A faltering economy is said to be something the Fed wants to observe before it stops raising rates. And once that happens, cryptocurrency prices will surge, and in stark contrast, the inflation rate will tank. So, what are the price predictions looking like exactly? Let's take a look at Bitcoin price prediction for 2023. Predictions are difficult to make when it comes to the biggest and most popular cryptocurrency in the world. And even though Tim Draper's $250,000 price estimate for Bitcoin was a little too much, most analysts anticipate that Bitcoin will rebound and reach, drum roll, around $20,000 in 2023. How? Well, BTC has reached a price of approximately $19,000 in just 2 weeks, and it appears that this upward trend will continue. Then BTC gained 4% over the previous day and has a market cap of $364.2 billion. According to many experts, this pattern will continue, and by the end of 2023, BTC will reach the $20,000 threshold or above. With the risks lowered, the investors come back to play. You might want to think about buying Bitcoin now when the price is cheap. Don't say we didn't tell you. It's a fantastic idea, In fact, many investors are also thinking about investing in other well-known businesses too, which makes us believe that the year 2023 will be a wonderful year for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. Don't just take it from us. This is according to several analysts who think the dumps in the market were just a straightforward 4-year cycle. As the state of the world economy improves, the bear market will soon come to an end. And when it does, the next bull run is what you need to be ready for. Now, you must be hearing a lot about AI and ChatGPT recently. Crypto Bros decided to take it to test, and you'd want to hear what its predictions are. AI seems to agree that the best is yet to come. After OpenAI debuted ChatGPT, a text-based artificial intelligence tool, it quickly gained popularity. As it happens, compiling and providing to users estimates of potential price movements, ranges of digital assets on the cryptocurrency market, such as Bitcoin, is one thing in which ChatGPT might be extremely helpful. Using indications including historical data, price chart patterns, and technical analysis gauges, people asked the ChatGPT chatbot to provide predictions regarding Bitcoin's price changes in 2023. What do you think it said? Some of you will believe a bot over a human expert, but hey, it's okay. According to the chatbot, by the end of 2023, Bitcoin will most likely trade between $50,000 and $100,000. Hallelujah! The predictions of the AI-powered platform are in line with experts who think that the leading cryptocurrency is headed for greater usage and a rise in value in 2023. But wait, does crypto need a reset? It might already be happening at Davos. The World Economic Forum is hosted in Davos, Switzerland every year. It's known for connecting with those in positions of power and influence around the world, examining trends, and making predictions about the future direction of the global economy. Naturally, this year they got to discussing cryptocurrency and how to regain confidence. Let's be real, the market needs to rebuild and refocus going forward. Wondering what things the advocates of cryptocurrencies were encouraged to concentrate on during WEF 2023? First of all, crypto fraud can't be taken lightly anymore. It's still fraud, you guys. Then you'll need to get more into tokenomics. Yep, that's a term. A significant reputational and financial damage has lately been dealt to the economics of how some tokens function, operate, and interact with one another. The fact that many token applications are not price-reliant and some explicitly discourage token price hikes is crucial, and crypto enthusiasts should support this viewpoint. The individualized direct ownership over knowledge and tokenomics are here to stay, which brings us to the last point of a much-needed crypto reset: believing in blockchain-based data. Crypto proponents should be careful to point out that having traceable, transparent, and easily accessible data is a tremendous asset, not just for people but for corporations and governments alike. Any business depends on its data, and blockchain-based data storage and management offers measurable advantages that are already being acknowledged. Take notes and get to it. And there you have it, all the predictions and hacks from experts so you can invest in crypto this year with a peace of mind.